So your batch is 10th batch. Introduction batch 10. Yes, we can. Come on. So up to this, all the points are very clear, right? Yes. So that means so whenever these outside peoples, come on, guys. So these outside peoples are they have to access the service from this SBI bank means. So SBI in order to do the business with this outside customer is come on. So nowadays everything is a digital world only, right? Yes. So no one is going to this particular banks and they are doing all these things or not, guys. So just by sitting at home, they can able to fulfill the all the requirements or not. Yes, so suppose I want to transfer amount to one bank account to another bank account means so nowadays no one going to the banks, right? So we are utilizing these digital applications or not. So that means within this outside world, all are multiple customers, all the people, sir. So they are communicating, they are able to do all these things means how it is possible, guys? So because they are communicating with these electronic devices or not. Yes, so whether if it is a mobile, whether if it is a laptop, whether if it is a system, whatever it may be. So whether if it is ATM machines, whatever it may be, yes, by communicating with these electronic devices, they can able to fulfill the all the requirement or not. Yes, so how they are able to fulfill it? So because within this ATM machines also one digital screen only displayed, right? Yes, so within that particular applications or within that missions also, what exactly available, guys? So these applications only they are able to access, right? So that means who is responsible to provide these applications? So these SBI bank peoples are responsible to provide this service to the outside peoples or not? They are responsible to provide these services means how they are providing. So definitely they are responsible to develop this particular application or not. Yes, so because so if they want to do the business with this outside customers means they have to provide this application. So but this application is nothing but a software not. And so how they are developed the software? These SBI bank people are non-technical people or technical people, guys? There are technical people or non-technical people?
So just once tell me.
Yes, these SBI bank people are concerned. They technical people or non-technical people, guys?
Non-technical people.
Yes, definitely they are non-technical people, right? They don't know how to develop this application. You don't bother about how this application are working functionality. So how, so if I'm clicking this withdraw button, what exactly happen? If I'm doing this right click, left click, all this digital application they are provided means, so they don't bother about all this stuff, guys. So this SBI bank employees available means, so they are responsible to develop this particular software, no, right? So they within this, so they are
No.
gone to this SBI bank and they are doing all these jobs means, so these SBI bank employees are not responsible to develop this particular software, guys. This software, this application already developed by someone, just they are utilizing those application in order to fulfill the customer's requirement or not. Yes,
Yes, sir.
suppose one customer gone to bank and they want to withdraw some particular amount from this bank means just those they are doing, yes, they are opening this in front of the system, they are sitting and just they are opening this application, they are doing this application withdraw operations or not. Yes, they are just using those digital screens, guys. So that because they are not technical people, they don't know how to develop this particular software, how this software is developed, how this application they developed, what is the functionality. If I'm clicking this particular button, what exactly internal functionalities happen. So they don't bother about all these things, right? They don't have technical knowledge or not. Yes, they are not learning these programming languages here. So they don't bother about what type of software courses availability in the outside world. Yes, they don't bother about all this stuff. So then These client people are not responsible to develop this particular software means, so how they are fulfilling their requirement here. So definitely they have to approach these as software companies or not. Yes, so all these points we already discussed, right? Yes, so
Yes, sir.
this SBI bank is communicating with the software company. The software company is responsible to develop this particular software. Then the software companies comes under the vendor companies, and this SBI bank is comes under the client, and all these things we discussed are not, guys. Yes, so the
Yes.
software is nothing but yes, develop. We have to develop the programs. Yes, so if you want to develop the programs means definitely we have to one language or not. Without learning any language, are able to develop these programs? No, right? So whether if you want to communicate with others, whether if you want to communicate with the computer, so person to person or person to computer or computer to computer, if you want to establish a communication means, first of all language is required or not required, guys? Yes,
Yes, sir.
language is mandatory. What you want to develop here? You want to develop the programs. If you want to develop the programs means, definitely what type of language only we have to learn, guys? Programming
Program.
language only we have to learn, right? Yes,
Yes.
so that means whatever the outside persons are there, all are non-technical people. So whenever these non-technical people learning this programming language, then they need this non-technical peoples become a technical peoples or not. Yes, these become a technical peoples. If you are able to develop something means you are a developer or not, guys. Yes, so if you are able to develop the programs means you are a programmer or not. Yes, so as like all this in the last session we discussed all these points or not, guys. What is the software? Collection of programs is nothing but a software, not, guys. A source of program is nothing but a collection of statements. Collection of statements is nothing. Words is nothing but statements. All this we discussed, right? Yes. What are
Yes.
the different types of softwares are available? Yes. So see, if one company utilizes the software means that is product based companies or project based companies. All are we discussed or not, guys? Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Like so, in the last session we discussed about multiple technologies or not, guys. Up to this, all the points are very clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, the another person,
Yes,
this
sir.
class is already completed, yeah. Okay, up to this, uh, the YouTube class is also available. You can listen if needed. Okay,
Sure, sir.
yeah. Okay, guys. Up